Jai Hind everyone, how are you? Hope you are fine. My name is Raghav Singh from subject Tabla. Here I am to explain Teen Tal, that is very famous tal of Indian classical music. Here you can see at the board that have 16 matras, 4 vibhags, and tali at 1, 5 and 13, and khali at 9, that is dha. We can pronounce it as dha dhin dhin dha dhin dhin dha tin tin ta dhin dhin dha. That is we can do with our hands, that will show our classmates here that are sitting that.
1, 2, 3, 4.